UAE roads, we know every curve. Whether you're winding your way down Dubai's Sheikh Zayed Road, enjoying the Corniche in Sharjah, Ras Al Khaimah's coastal highway, or simply going to Yas Island, wherever you are, we here at Royal Swiss Auto are always nearby. With 8 service centres across the UAE and more than 250 service bays, we here at Royal Swiss Auto bring automotive care closer to you. The largest European and electric car service centre in the UAE? Check. State-of-the-art facilities that rival any other repairer across the UAE? Check. And certified technicians who know your car inside and out? Check. With over 18 years of automotive experience, we don't just service cars, we revive them. Whether it's routine service or a major repair, we here at Royal Swiss Auto give your car the care and attention it deserves. So next time your car needs some care, just call into one of our branches and relax. At Royal Swiss Auto, we're always here to serve you better.